Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to access Classlink. We're going to start by clicking on the cjusd.net bookmarks. When that drop-down menu comes down, go ahead and click on Classlink. Classlink is a way for teachers to be able to access apps and resources that have been pushed out by our district and or added by themselves. Also, it is a way for students to access resources or apps that have been pushed out by the district or their teacher. I'm going to start off by showing you how to add an app. We will click on this plus button here that says Open App Library. So click on that. And on there, it'll give you the search menu. So let's say I wanted to add Epic onto my dashboard. I can search Epic. And it'll give me the app option here. So I can add that. And I'm going to exit here. And it'll show on my dashboard. Now, if I wanted to add an app that was not included on Classlink, so for example, I would like to add my Google site for my students. So I'm going to click on Open App Library. I'm going to click on Add App. I'm going to get the URL to the resource that I want to push out. So let me get my link so that I could share it with my students. I'm going to add the website or paste the website link here and add the app name, Turpin's Google site. And then I can select an icon. Now with the icon, you have to select the images that are already included with Classlink. There's not a way to customize an image yet, so keep an eye out, maybe in the future. So I could search something if I wanted something in specific to see if they had it, or I can scroll down and look. I'm just going to add 4th grade for now and add the app. So now when my students click on this, they'll be able to quickly go to the Access Google site that I want to share with them, and they'll have that. But to do that, this is on my dashboard. This is not on my students' dashboard just yet. So to be able to do that, I am going to show you that you need to click on this backpack here, which is called the Teacher Console. So click on that. And everything that you add onto this My Backpack Teacher Console area is what the students will see. So you'll click on your class, and then you can scroll down to where it says Apps and click on that. And they currently are able to access Amplify, GoGuardian, McGraw-Hill, and iReady. So let's say I wanted them to have that Google site. I can click on Add New App, add your own app. I'll paste the URL again and type in the title that I want. Select my icon, just like what I did earlier when I added it to my dashboard. So now that my students can access it, let's see. Here we go. And add the app. So now my students will have that quick, short link to where they can click on that app and quickly access the Google site. Again, if I wanted to add some other resources on here, like let's say Flipgrid, you use Flipgrid a lot in your classroom, I could search Flipgrid and add that on there. So that way my students have access to that as well to quickly go and have it as a bookmark. There's also a way for you to send announcements. So you can click on announcements here and send out the announcements in that way. If you want to view your students, you can click on this option here. And you can even click over here where it'll give you data on the student and what they have done for the day. So it kind of gives you an idea of how many logins they've had for the day, for the week, for the month, and the school year.